If you've been researching walk-in tubs, you've probably been hearing about jets, aromatherapy, chromatherapy, heated seats, leveling legs, gizmos, and gadgets, and about 27 other things that you didn't even ask for. Let's cut through the noise because most of it is simply marketing BS. There are actually three main things that matter when it comes to selecting a walk-in tub. One is safe entry and exit. What is the height of the threshold? Does the door swing in or out? Can you, as an individual or your loved one, easily ingress and egress the tub in total safety and comfort? Two is therapy, and I mean real medical hydrotherapy, not just bubbles and gadgets. And three is installation integrity. Is your project being performed by a certified safe bathing specialist, somebody who works for you, respects you, and is there to do a very, very good job for you? That's it. Everything else is just a distraction, sales gimmicks, and rhetorics to lead you to make a decision. A decision to invest potentially way more money than you should be. So let's go through this rapid fire. Jets. You do not want water jets on your tub. They are filthy. They are unsanitary. Do not let this happen. Two, aromatherapy. This is a gizmo. I believe in aromatherapy, but it should be delivered through essential oils and a votive, a diffuser, not jetted and put into your bath water. Chromatherapy. Again, legitimate therapy, but not the way they're being sold and installed in walk-in bathtubs. They're just flashing lights you're paying hundreds of dollars for. Fast drains. Ask them to explain to you why the diameter of their drain is going to increase the flow of the water out of your bathtub. It's all driven by your existing system. This is just sales rhetoric. I've seen so many people over the years get balled up in making a decision and take way too long trying to compare the wrong stuff. But here's the thing. You're not buying a tub. You're buying your freedom. You're buying your independence. You're buying your safety. This is a different decision-making process. And the tub is just a tool to help you accomplish that. The next video could actually bring you the step you're looking for to help you maintain your independence. Take a look.